Hi everybody, my name is Liezl. I am one of the teachers here on the Frog Project. I'm super excited to be offering the first workshop for the year called Yoga for a Happy Belly. And my intention with this workshop is twofold. So firstly is to give you all the tools you need for healthy and happy digestion so that you can feel good on your body, in your body day to day. But then secondly, also through the workshop, perhaps to inspire more appreciation of your body and particularly the belly area. So how we'll go about it is we'll start off by looking at the physical as well as the energetic anatomy of the stomach area, so this whole area of the torso. And then with that understanding, we'll move into a practice that you can then also do at home afterwards. And this practice will include some asanas, some pranayamas, some kriyas, some shatkarmas. And if you don't know what those are yet, don't worry, you will find out. And then to make sure that we are really holistic in our approach, you'll also receive a very gentle cleansing plan, which includes some Ayurvedic foods. And you'll get recipes for those so that you can do them at home, supporting the body not just through movement and breath and intention, but also with what we physically put into it. So if this sounds good, please do sign up, and I really look forward to seeing you next Sunday.